Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. And basically what this is an earwax removal kit. And it's actually made out of silicone material. So let me actually open up the product and show you guys what it actually looks like first. So inside the packaging itself, it actually gives you guys a little instruction card and a manual right here to teach you guys how to use the product itself. But right here is basically what the product looks like right here. When we open it up, it provides you guys everything that you guys need to use. So if you look really carefully right there, they actually provide you guys a bunch of these right here. So once you guys finish using one of these right here, then just take it off and then take one of these and replace it. Or if you want to keep track of each one for each color, so you guys can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors. You guys can basically assign a certain color for each one of your families to use, so that way you can switch off and don't have to use the same color for your ear. And what's really cool about these is the fact that if you guys want to, you guys can just wash it after you guys use it. But this is basically what the product looks like. If you can see, here's a swirl part right here. Don't worry, I actually cleaned this before actually using it. And I'm going to test out right now to show you guys how well it works. So if you guys want to remove it, all you guys need to do is just twist it like this. And it comes off really easily, as you can see. And if you guys want to put it back on, just twist it to the other side and lock it back in. So the product itself definitely has a very nice and simple design that you guys have a very nice grip to it when you guys actually use it. So let me actually do a quick example to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. So what I'm going to do is just put it into my ear and just swirl it like this. You guys can do it like left and right if you guys want to, but usually it's better to go in one motion like this. And then you guys can see that there's a bunch of like earwax inside right here that actually removed. And what you guys want to do when you guys get a bunch of earwax on here, get a piece of paper and like wipe it off. So that way you can use it again to like make sure it's clean before rinsing and washing it. Because once this gets wet, you have to let it fully dry first before using it again. So as you can see from the test itself, it actually works. I actually still prefer using like the manual one where you can actually scrape it off. But that one is a little bit more painful if you guys scrape it incorrectly. This one's definitely a much more safer option, but the thing about this one that I mentioned is the fact that it doesn't really clean it fully compared to the one where you can actually scrape it yourself. So that's definitely something you have to sacrifice when you actually get one of these products right here, but it does work. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, like I mentioned, I do have to say that this is worth it, but I do recommend getting like the actual scraping option ones if you guys want to fully clean your ear. If you guys don't mind fully cleaning your ear for like less pain, then this one is definitely really worth it. Especially if you guys are planning to use this for kids, then this is definitely really worth it. That way you guys don't have to worry about hurting your kids when you guys actually remove the earwax and whatever. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, then make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and help this channel out as well. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.